It's Memorial Day weekend, the traditional start to summer. But of course, this holiday is about more than a long weekend and summer barbecues. Use Hoopla Digital to learn more about the meaning of Memorial Day. From your computer, go to hoopladigital.com. If you're using a phone or a tablet, go to your App Store to download the Hoopla Digital app. If you don't already have a Hoopla account, click on Get Started Today. Enter your email address and create a password. You'll then be prompted to enter your library and library card number. If you aren't a member of the Tenafly library, visit your own library's website to see if you have access to Hoopla. Once you've created an account, you can browse for audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, or TV shows. Or click on one of these slides to view a curated list of content. Click on Kids to limit results for children only. To find specific materials, type in a title, subject, or author. Here, the results are all children's materials about Memorial Day. Note, in this case, you'll find ebooks or music. Click on an item to learn more. Click on Borrow to listen to the music or read the book. Click on your Back button to go back to your list of results. Looking for adult material on Memorial Day? Unclick Kids. Here you can see you have choices of ebooks, audiobooks, and music. If you're still imagining a great outdoor barbecue, use Hoopla to find a new recipe. Remember, great content is always available on Hoopla. Learn more about Memorial Day this weekend and enjoy the start of summer.